Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified with my latest update. Today's video is going to be on scope of management, and before this I have already uploaded relevant videos on management, like what is management, why is it important, what are the function and nature. Okay, so don't forget to check those videos too. So let's start today's video. In scope of management, the first point we have functional area of management. We all know in a company there are several departments called functional area, such as marketing, finance, human resource, operation, production. Okay. In marketing, we see that promoting and selling products is seen basically over there. In financing, managing money or managing the fund is seen. In human resources, we see there is hiring, there is managing of people. In operation, we see managing day-to-day activity. In production, we see making the products or product-related issues over there, product-related task over there. Okay. So we can say different department working together is seen in management. Management is responsible for doing different tasks like planning, organizing, staffing, leading and controlling. So we can say management makes sure all the departments work well together to help the company to reach its goal. And all these functional areas such as marketing, finance, human resource, operation, production, they all have different tasks to do, and ultimately they all work together to accomplish organization goals. Second point, we have levels of management. We all know in an organization there are three basic levels: top level management, middle level management, lower level management. Different roles at different level of management is seen. At top level, we see people like CEO or directors. They make policies, they make rules. Okay, they make big decisions and set goals for the company. In middle level, like departmental manager, they pass on instruction from the top level manager to team members, okay, to the employee. In lower level management, we see there is superiors, there is leaders. They handle day-to-day work and guide workers what they have to do, what task they have for today. Each level has its own role, but management ensures all levels work together smoothly to keep the business running well. So in levels, we understand there's top level, middle level, lower level. Top level make the rules. Middle level, which is called departmental manager, passes the instruction from top level to middle level. Okay, lower level actually supervise the employee and provide them day-to-day tasks. Third, we have management skill. These are the skills which make a manager good and best and help him to control and coordinate the subordinate. Management skills like technical skill, where management know how to do specific tasks like working on a computer or a machine. Okay, if he knows how to work on those software or those machines, then only they can help their subordinate. If there is any issues or there is any problem, they can help them. Okay, so a manager should be technically skilled so that he can supervise or he can guide and solve the issues of their subordinate. Second skill he should have is human skill. He should know how to talk, okay, how to manage, how to work with people, because the main duty of a manager is to communicate, is to resolve the issue, is to provide the task, is to make people understand what are their role, what they have to do. Okay, management also provide the third skill to a manager, which is conceptual skill. Here they understand the whole business and how everything fits together. A good manager balances all these skills to manage people and work efficiently and effectively within an organization. So in the third point, we have seen management skill, where 3 skills comes, which is technical skill, knowing about the system, knowing about the machine; human skill, knowing how to talk to the people, how to manage them, how to assign the work; conceptual skill, understanding the whole business and knowing how everything is working and how everything is fitting together. Okay. Fourth, we have environmental influence. Understanding what's happening outside a company is very important, because today market is unpredictable. Every day new challenges, new trend, new machine, new technology keep on coming, and a manager should be flexible enough to understand those challenges, understand those new things, new demands which is coming in the market. A company does not work alone. It is affected by things helping outside, like economic changes, where things like inflation or recession affect a company. So he should be aware about the economic changes. He should be aware about the social changes, where people habit, their lifestyle should be focused on. Okay. Technological changes, if there is a new machine, new advanced software, they should be ready to adapt within their organization, so that their work can smoothly occur, and their work can finish even more faster without wasting more energy or time. Okay. They should also think about the legal rules. Maybe the area you are located, maybe there is a new law, maybe there is a new regulation, so you have to be prepared. You have to keep track on those news also, those laws also, so that your company will be safe and will not come in any kind of risky situation. Okay. So in the fourth point, we see environmental influence, where a management keep an eye on external factors and make smart decisions to handle problems and grab opportunities. Fifth point, we have global perspective. Thinking beyond one company help you to get the customers outside the company, to deal outside the country, which will give you more profit, because you are dealing with international currency. So ultimately you will make more money, and you can help your business to grow outside the country. Because of globalization, business now work not just in one country but all over the world. Managers need to understand international market, respect different cultures, compete with global companies, and manage team from different companies. Okay. A global mindset help a company to grow in other countries and succeed in global market. Sixth point, we have ethical consideration. Doing the right thing. Modern management is not just about making money. It is also about doing what is right and what is fair. Management in ethical consideration, you can say manager must be honest and transparent. He should take care of employee and customer. He should protect the environment. He should support the community. When a company behave ethically, it randomly creates a goodwill in the market. It creates a goodwill among their employee, among their customer. It builds trust, respect, and good reputation, which help the company in long term, which help in long term success. So yeah, these were the points in scope of management, where we have seen the first point, functional area of management, where we have seen how management have different functional departments like marketing, finance, human resource, operation, production. Second, we have seen it have a different level, like top level, middle level, lower level. Top level who make the rules, who set the rules. Middle level who communicate between the top level and lower level. Okay. Lower level who assign the task, who supervise the employee. In third, we have seen management skill, like what a good manager should have, so that he will be able to he survive in the organization. He should be technically skilled. He should have a human skill. He should have conceptual skill. Fourth point, we have seen environmental influence, where a manager should understand what's happening outside the country. He should be ready to take he should be having information according to the changes, like as per the changes of economics, like is there inflation or recession. He should have the information of social changes like people's habit and lifestyle. He should have information such as technological changes. He should have legal rules information. In the fifth point, we have seen global perspective, where he should not think only about one country, but he should think beyond one country so that he can grow their business outside the country and succeed in global market. Sixth point, we have ethical consideration, doing the right thing. Today, if you want to survive for a long time, you have to create a goodwill. How you can do that? If you build trust, respect, and good reputation among your employee, among your customer, then only you can survive for a longer term. So yeah, this was all about today's video, where we have seen the scope of management. I hope you liked the video. If yes, then don't forget to give a thumb up and let me know your opinion in comment box. And if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, then please do subscribe to it, so that I will be motivated to make more and more videos like this. Now see you soon with some more interesting topics. Till then, have a nice day. Bye.